Good morning, from the sunlight.
Excuse me. I got this interview at this tech company. I'm thinking I need something, I don't know, geeky, youthful.
Lost your job and the world's moved on, huh? That's too bad.
I didn't lose my job.
Of course. Got too old, got outsourced. Same thing happened to my dad. Now you gotta fit in with a different generation. Hmm? What about a vest and some cargo shorts?
All right.
Yup, that's as youthful as you're gonna get. Ew, no, definitely not. No, way too sex predator.
Thank you for returning my call. Well, I'd love to get tickets to Fame or Shame, because that is my favorite.
It is sure useful. You've got...
Yup, that's as youthful as you're gonna get. Dignity aside, I think that might just work. Good luck at the interview.
Bye.
Breakfast just got a whole lot more real. Enjoy the benefits of a hunter-gatherer lifestyle.
Michael?
I'm all rested up. Now, you want to run me through this thing?
The prototype is somewhere in the Life Invader office. Find it and fit it with the device in your bag.
They just gonna let me in?
Why wouldn't they if you look the part?
Is a trademark back-to-nature diet system fortune for. Your starter pack includes a free t-shirt and an authentic Extreme Paleo TM hunting spear. Extreme Paleo TM is a registered trademark.
In a place of madness.
This is the voice of sanity. Blue Heart FM.
Weasel News. A house collapses in Vinewood Hills.
Vigilantes getting tough on illegal immigration.
New movies Meltdown and spy thriller Deep Inside are all going green screen and plan to rack up a lot of green.
What kind of person waits in line for a phone? We'll find out.
A Vinewood Hills stilt home designed by famous architect Teuton collapsed yesterday. Seismologists did not notice any unusual activity, and the house passed inspection just last year. Melinda Manchester is at the scene.
This homeowner is obviously distraught.
Leave me alone! I don't want to talk to biased American media!
We'll stay on this story. A group of vigilantes calling themselves the Civil Border Patrol are attempting...
IT guy, ¿qué pasa, amigo? All this natural light blinding you? I'm totally becoming a tech evangelist when the big boys vest. Maybe not even tech. I'll evangelize anything.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Chill out on the beanbag. Marcus will be right out.
Oh, I'm gonna take a normal chair. I have a terrible back.
Here you go. If you guys let me use the OS I requested, this wouldn't be a problem.
Ah, you've been at it on this PC. Got any antivirus software?
I think so. Behind this junk on the left. Clicked an NSFW link, bro. Bit me on the ass.
Yeah, not safe for work, huh? You know, my son's computer runs into the same kind of problems. I'll close the pop-ups, see what I can do.
Your son codes? Start him early, bro. You know your best stuff in your tweens. After that, it's just a hack job. You want a massage? 'Cause my hands are free.
We'll get there eventually.
My glitch fixing is gonna be way down today.
Bear with me, all right?
I need to write some product, Brohim. I'm feeling the itch. This place is fueled by Java, bro.
Won't run with the pop-ups up. There you go. How about I run the antivirus software? Scanning.
Might be why I get all these migraines. Seriously, it might be why.
And that should do it. Why don't you try and keep things strictly safe for work from now on?
Hey, have you seen the prototype in the demo room? When Norris announces it at the keynote, minds are gonna blow.
Yes, they are.
That's a new
Oh, nice.
Dude, when it blue screens again, you're my guy.
Bye now.
Sit. Foot bang, dig fast.
Ow!
Come on, you're gonna have to learn the foot bag if you want to get a job here, okay? Follow me.
Okay.
Some a-hole drank my effing hemp milk. There was a totally non-passive-aggressive note on it.
Let me get the door for you.
Hey, Michael, hold on. Domed! I domed ya!
Lester, the thing's in the prototype. I'm going home to watch the keynote.
Teabag time, my friend!
Lester, did you hear me? Are you playing that game?
Yeah, sorry, the phone is rigged. Hey, what's your problem? You don't like shooters?
They're all the same. Besides, you know me. I'm a movie guy. Classic Vinewood.
Classic Vinewood ended 30 years ago. Now it's just superheroes, romantic comedies, and remakes, none of which interest me.
Hey, I believe this country can still make interesting movies. There's no better way to define America.
Oh my god, you guys are so late!
For disappearing back to bitter obscurity.
The finals continue with Shemale Bob.
You guys are going to the finals.
Mimes on Fire.
Woo! What a talent! I have never seen someone set fire to their crotch before. Fantastic!
The most racist guy in America.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Jay Norris to the stage.
Hey, this company has come a long way since we started it in my parents' pool house in East Caraway. Today, you're about to witness a new phase. Full-on, weapons-grade, red alert, world domination. We have put 1 billion people's private data in the public domain, and we have milked every penny we could in the process. And we have one of the youngest workforces in the world. An average age of only 14.4 years. That's not just impressive, it's revolutionary! Today, right here, we're about to make the next step. Prepare to witness the future. The Life Invader mobile device. Yes, we've invented something no one else has ever thought of. A small, personal, computerized device. Now you're going to be able to stay docked 24/7. On the bus, you can dock. On the subway, stay docked. You can be docked in at home, and at the same time, you're docking with some kids at the public pool. We went to the guys at Fruit Computers, and we told them we wanted to make our hardware as compatible as possible. But you know what? They're not interested in sharing their technology. So we went and made it compatible anyway. Now you can dock your Life Invader to an iFruit phone or any other device. And it'll take all the data off it and reformat it into Life Invader friendly information. At around this point in my presentation, there was meant to be a call from my product team to introduce the device. But we're experiencing some technical difficulties. I hate to keep you waiting any longer, but trust me, it's worth it. And don't worry, I will fire several people.
What are you doing? Oh, God, get a while! Stop! Jesus Christ! We've got a great night of television for you. God damn it!
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Jay Norris to the stage.
Hey, this company has come a long way since we started it in my parents' pool house in East Caraway. Today, you're about to witness a new phase. Full-on weapons... grade, red alert, world domination! We have put 1 billion people's private data in the public domain, and we have milked every penny we could in the process. And we have one of the youngest workforces in the world. An average age of only 14.4 years? That's not just impressive, it's revolutionary! Today, right here, we're about to make the next step. Prepare to witness the future. The Life Invader mobile device. Yes, we've invented something no one else has ever thought of. A small, personal, computerized device. Now you're going to be able to stay docked 24/7. On the bus, you can dock. On the subway, stay docked. You can be docked in at home, and at the same time, you're docking with some kids at the public pool. We went to the guys at Fruit Computers, and we told them we wanted to make our hardware as compatible as possible. But you know what? They're not interested in sharing their technology. So we went and made it compatible anyway. Huh, hold on a second. I think someone's trying to dock with me. Hello?
Oh!
Security!
Oh, Jesus! Whoa!
No.
Whoa! Lester, that was heavy. Are you watching the news?
I don't have to. I'm watching the markets. I'll be trading pure alpha till close.
All right. Hey, about that other thing. You know, the score.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Let's do it. Put on a suit, look somewhat professional, and meet me at my warehouse off the LS freeway. Oh,
right here.
Let's meet up.
That bastard just
off me!
Shitty satellite newsfeed. Enjoy.
Mike, I said look nice. Can you put a suit on, please? The sooner you change, the sooner we can find you a score.
Hey!
Hola?
You're wasting my time!
Lo que sea.
When you look decent, we can go.
Hey, what's up?
Puro pedo. Cuidado.
You're boring me, Michael. Just go change.
Hello, and how are you?
Mi turno es así. Ya no aguanto más. Nunca pasa nada. Es aburridísimo.
Police? Yes, tengo una situación aquí.
You're not casing a joint with you looking like that.
Citizens reporting a disturbance
Hi.
in northern La Mesa.
The sooner you change, the sooner we can find you a score.
Cool?
You're wasting my time! If you look decent, we can go.
Come on! Get that son of a bitch! We got eyes on the perp. We're in pursuit. Hands in the air, now!
Yeah, hello.
Wow!
Don't touch me!
Oh, you don't have to call to tell me that.
Not you! The Dieter Sack store detective! There's been a misunderstanding. I need you to help clear it up.
Oh, now you want me. All right, I'm coming.
The one phone call rule is for real policemen, you worthless turd.
You fool! Now she needs me.
We're all feeling that one. Music from GUTS. He goes by the name of Guts. He's based out of White Island of Ibiza. You're in tune right now to Worldwide FM. I'm Giles Peterson, and this is Mellow X on a remix. Big time for you now.
You entitled piece of shit!
Where you headed, homie?
Rockford Hills.
I'll get you there fast, buddy. Right away, sir. Here you go.
God damn it! Fuck! Not the car!
I told you, she's a biter. That's assault on top of the shoplifting beat. Man, the paperwork. What you packing? You know, standard LSP. I'm trying to do police work here. You know, standard LSPD issue 9mm.
Sweet. I gotta get some hardware. The store.
He's got my car!
Shit! All right, let's go! Let's go! Go, 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 go!
I'm on top of it.
I do not want to go to prison.
Chill out. It's under control.
Hello? No seatbelts? Come on, come on, come on!
Relax, I got this.
The cops are still after us!
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
You trying to kill me back here? Drive, Michael!
I'm on top of it.
They're coming, Michael!
Chill out. It's under control.
There's no point in... Idiot! In losing the cops if I'm dead in the back seat. Get us out of here!
I'm on top of it.
Is that it? Are they gone?
Of course they're gone. Who are you talking to? Come on, I'll take you back to the house.
Don't say it!
What?
That I have everything I want, so why am I stealing?
Oh, my lips are sealed.
Because if you say that, I'll say the same to you.
I'm not saying anything. I'm just doing my best to keep us out of jail.
Where are you going? I mean, who are you to judge me?
Oh, I'm not judging? No, not at all.
You're loving this, aren't you?
Oh, yeah. Risking prison, getting shot at, love, big love.
So this is what it's like to be you?
Not really, honey. See, I'm a semi-successful crook. You're a bit of a failure, but hey, kudos for trying.
Not that successful if you're in witness protection.
Well, I've got an idea. Why don't we see what Agent Dave and the FIB think of this Lovers on the Run act?
Are we going home?
You know, I'm sort of thankful for this.
Thankful? This is the worst day of my life.
Ah, come on, you're doing your part. Your spending habits have got us into a sticky financial situation, so you're cutting corners.
Really? My spending habits? I've seen your day trader account. Get rid of the car, Michael. It can't stay in the driveway. Oh, and yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, who's this?
It's Ricky from Life Invader. I know you're the bro who deactivated Jay, bro.
Oh, I have no idea what you're talking about, pal.
What you do's your business, bro. Anyway, Jay really got a big head once people started calling him a god. Guess you proved he wasn't one. They reintegrated my team in Burundi after the design got signed off. And now, my shares ain't worth dick.
Sorry about that.
I need work, and I thought maybe you could provide. I mean, I'm smart enough to track you down, aren't I?
I guess you are. Hey, I'll be in touch if anything comes up.
If y'all want it, we gonna give it to you. This your boy DJ Pooh. Texting, not sexting. Y'all ain't learned yet, huh? Don't get burned.
My niggas, we having a wonderful day. And I won't fuck with my wives. It's the first of the month. And we'll be smoking, joking, rolling, sipping on 40 ounces, nugging in gum. Damn! Nights we high, up the back to where night. I look for my nigga, they give me some flag, yo. Double up, nigga, what you need? We just a show, but it lay low. Cause the people meet when they roll. Take it away, but it's all stay, yeah, yo, keep your bankroll. Yeah, we're having a celebration to stay high. You can never believe, but it's time to grind. I'm down for mine, crime after crime. When you creep to the back, cause mom's got the grab on the grill. If we got the flow, you know what's the first of the rhythm.
The hell is this place?
Garment factory. I needed a job that didn't require me to do anything apart from paying taxes.
Okay, listen. Shh. What do you got?
The Holy Grail. The Union Depository. And they say it cannot be hit. Hasn't been yet.
Look, I just owe some Mexican hood a couple $1,000,000 because I wrecked his girlfriend's house. I don't need to go crazy here.
Which Mexican?
Martin Madrazo.
He's not supposed to be very nice.
Oh, when I met him, he was charming. So what do you think?
Oh, let's see. Either we hit a bank in the sticks, or we do a store. Which do you like?
Well, store's usually easier. But I gotta make a big take.
Well, gems it is then. Let's go to Vangelico, buy ourselves an engagement ring.
Oh, we're gonna need a crew. I can round up some of the old guys.
There are no old guys. Moses, ironically, he found Jesus. All those Irish crazies, they mostly just disappeared. That crew from the south, they all went down. There was an Eastern European guy making moves in Liberty City, but he went quiet.
All right. Well, we're gonna need a crew. You got any contacts in LS or not?
I've been working with someone, but they're too unpredictable. I'll have to reach out to some other guys. The jeweler's is on Little Portola. Your FIB buddies, they know you're back in business?
FIB buddies? What are you talking about?
I checked out the WPP thing. Doesn't look like any WITSEC program I'm aware of. Well, for starters, they don't put witnesses up in multi-million-dollar mansions in Rockford Hills.
Oh, maybe they thought this would be the best cover.
In most witnesses don't transfer five-figure sums into a particular FIB agent's bank account every month. Of course, the money gets moved around and washed through a number of fronts, but the trail is there. Deposits and withdrawals, the same sum every month. Agent Dave Norton, white, middle-aged divorcee, unremarkable career, except for one incident, the shooting of a notorious stick-up man, Michael Town.
Yeah, all right. Lester, I'm very impressed.
Look, we can talk about this another time. Take these glasses.
My eyesight's fine.
They're fitted with a camera and a radio relay. I'm gonna run the operation from the car while you're in the store getting what we need. Here we are.
Hey, it's gonna be terrible, they said. Did you really just change your status to single? We just fucking broke up last night. And stop all the police about how spiritual you feel.
the interior, not the street. Come on! Last I checked, we were casing Vangelico. Get in there!
Why the fuck do you have to do that?
You're late.
At it with you. Bring it on.
You're never going to make it to Rockford Hills at this rate.
Win again.
It's supposed to get really cold tonight. Like I'm gonna kill myself.
Awesome.
We don't need to scope out the street. Go inside.
Wow.
You reading me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we need shots of the security features, the alarm system, ventilation, cameras.
Sir? Thank you.
Glasses are live, shoot away. The alarm keypad is on the left when you come in, on the wall by the side door. Shots come through. Camera, check. Alarm, check. Vents, check. Good work. Now speak to the assistant and see if there's anything else we need to know.
Hey, beautiful. I need to pick up a little something for the woman in my life. Well, one of them.
Sir, I'm sure we can help you. Tell me about her. What's her taste?
Cheap. Thank God. This ain't my wife we're talking about. I don't know. I don't want to spend too much. I'm thinking maybe 10 grand?
Our rings start at 8, our pendants start at 12.
All right. So these things built to last, or am I just paying for the Vangelico logo here?
No. We use perfect clarity jewels. 18 karat gold, 950 platinum. Nothing but the best.
All right. I think you just made a sale. I'm gonna take a look around, think about it, come back to you, baby. Don't go anywhere.
I understand.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You got it.
Come back to me.
Have a wonderful day.
So, we good?
Almost. I need to get eyes on the roof of the building. See where the ventilation comes out.
Oh, I need a foot massage.
I know that's right.
Just running some errands.
Drive us around the block. We gotta find a way up to the roof.
Here in public?
Don't you see me?
Turn around! We leave the car around the corner.
Internet shit right there. Insane! Eat my ass!
Drive around the block and look for a way up to the roof.
Hey, get a real driver!
No way! Is that for real?
It'll be on your desk first thing tomorrow morning. What was that? It's not my phone. Damn! Huh.
Look, there. Some construction.
Yeah, if they're gutting the place, I might be able to get to the roof.
Some days I just want to punch somebody.
Gladys, I tried.
So, you keep up with the old crew?
Well, after your death/disappearance, there wasn't much holding us together.
Yeah. You see him at all? After the incident?
I saw a ladder. Climb up it and see if you can get to the roof. I kept tabs on him for a while. Needed to know that he didn't blame me.
Yeah, where'd he go?
North, south, east, west, wherever there were liquor stores to turn over and hitchhikers to disappear.
Where did they bury him?
They buried him? Not as far as I know.
I'm on the roof.
I need to know where the air coming out of those vents in Vangelico originates. There should be a unit above the store.
Hey, did you get my text? Call me, okay?
He's probably a John Doe then, right? What do you think? OD, shootout, maybe just a car crash, right? Anonymous charred remains on the highway. They only knew what a sick puppy they had on their hands. Hey, I see the vents.
Yeah, I'm looking at the relay. Can you get any higher? I've pulled up a satellite image. It looks like the highest point is on the northwest side. Get a shot from there. Now use it and get an image of the air system. That's it. Take the shot and we're finished. We need to know where those vents come out. It's like a big box on the roof. No, the air conditioning roof unit. We need to know where those vents come out. It's like a big box on the roof. Just look a little left. That's the shot. You've covered the vents on the roof now. Okay, that'll do. Now come back to me before someone spots you up there.
Will do.
Michael, let's go.
Here, take your glasses back.
Let's go back to the garment factory. I called ahead and told him to start setting...